What's up, guys? It is the Rad Man, and this is my second build, which is actually for my cousin, who is just kind of slouching. Yeah, he's the Hat Man, which if you've seen any of my other gaming videos, that's dual commentary, it's always with him. And this is my build for him because he has a really crappy old computer that doesn't do jack for games. And we are going to go over the parts. This will be I would say two-part build with the preview, which is this, and then one final overview. After view. Post view.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start with the CPU. It's the 3570K, very great, nice CPU and everything, and we'll put it on strap. And then we have the Fractal Define R4. It's a titanium case with the giant window in the side, which you'll see at the end. Yeah. This is an Asus monitor. It's the VH238. It's like a budget monitor, but at least has speakers and it's pretty nice. And then for cooling, we have the let's see if we can get a good view there. The Antec Cooler H2O 620. Very nice cooler for its price. Then we have our way overkill.
Hey, that's future proofing.
No, you could put like three graphics cards on this. But the Corsair HX 1050 watt, it's 80 plus silver.
Gotta get that 1000 plus.
But this is because it was at a really good price when we got it. And then here's Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit, and my old crappy Dell keyboard that came with my mom's computer. But I got a really nice Filco, and I'm going to do one more update soon on my own computer, because I upgraded a lot over Christmas. Here's what I'm really jealous about. Is MSI M-Power Z77. Big Bang Z77 M-Power. Great motherboard. Probably going to do an overview on this, the case, and then two other parts, probably. Here's just an optical drive. It's from Asus. It's on my build because I just decided to add one. But, I just decided to add one for, like, CDs and stuff. But we're just using this for the operating system because it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to install it on flash drive. Here's one thing that looks really cool. It's the Patriot Intel Extreme Masters 8GB DDR3 limited edition RAM. That thing looks awesome. Like,
got those heat sinks.
Yeah. And then here's a nice graphics card. It's not like the super most powerful ones, but that would put them out of budget. It's the MSI Z77 Hawk Edition, or Z77, MSI 787, 7870 Hawk Edition, which is a very nice graphics card, which we're going to do an overview.
It's got a nice warranty on it, too.
3 years. It's, whoa. Okay.
Enough.
Here's a just Seagate 2TB drive, 64 megabits of cache, and 7200 RPM because it's a good price. Here's a Samsung 840 SSD. It's the 120GB version. And then just a cheap mouse, the CM Storm X Hornet.
I wouldn't call it a cheap mouse. The one that I have now is a cheap mouse.
True, but this was like $15.
Nah,
it's this mouse. It's a good price, and if you'd like to open it real fast, the front page.
Okay, fine.
So you can see what it looks like on the side. It's a right-handed mouse. Pretty cool looking. You'll see this in the post build. And that is the final overview. Final beginning overview of all these pretty nice parts. It's very high-end. I'm so jealous. But we will be back in about... We'll probably make a next video in, like, tomorrow. See ya.